Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make lychee margarita. Muddle 2 canned lychees with 1 Oz lychee syrup in a shaker, add 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime juice, 5 Oz triple sec, fill with ice and shake vigorously. Strain into a rimmed glass and garnish with a lychee and lime wheel. Use fresh lime for brightness, adjust sweetness to taste, and enjoy responsibly with friends. Gather the ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure tequila, lime juice, lychee syrup, and triple sec into a jigger so everything is ready. Open the canned lychees and reserve a couple for garnish. Chill your shaker and glasses and set a small plate of salt or sugar for rimming. Having everything prepped saves time and helps you make a consistent cocktail every time. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for mood music and hands-free timers while you mix. It's great for playlists and recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Muddle the lychees just enough to release their juice and syrup, avoiding overworking the fruit. Add measured spirits and lime. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the shaker is frosty. This ensures proper chill and dilution. Double strain into your prepared glass to remove any pulp for a silky texture. Finish with a lychee and lime wheel and taste to adjust sweetness if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.